So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you just want to search for Chrome Web Store. And then click on it right here, the first link. Or you can just click on the three dots in the top right and click on extensions. And then click on manage extensions. And now you're going to click on Chrome Web Store. And now once you're in here, you want to search for IE tab. And then this extension will come up. And you want to install this. So click on add to Chrome. And then click on add extension. This will emulate the Windows Explorer environment for rendering various web pages. This can also help to load all the web pages or pages that require Internet Explorer. And now you want to enable the extension if you want to use Java. So you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you want to click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. And now you want to make sure that this has been ticked. So make sure that this is blue, which is now running this. And now if you want to pin it so you can easily access it, you want to click on the puzzle, and then you can pin it right here. And now we'll put over here. And if you want to disable Java, you just want to remove this. And now once you've installed this, you just want to restart Chrome, and then you should be good to go.